Okay, so I'm starting this video. I am going to take you guys with me of getting ready for a road trip. So I'm leaving, if you didn't know, if you haven't watched my other videos, I'm leaving on a road trip with my friend Emma D. She lives in Colorado, and I'm flying to Denver where she lives, and we're gonna go from, I'm gonna put a little thing on the screen right here for you, I think. We're going from Denver to Salt Lake City to Idaho to Portland, Oregon, up to Seattle, down the coast of Oregon, back down to California, and then back. And we're gonna be there for 2 weeks, and I need to pack and get everything ready because we're gonna be camping and hiking and doing a lot of stuff, and I want to be prepared but also not have like too much. So let's go. I'm gonna take you guys with me. I have here a packing list. I'm gonna put this up on the screen. I'm starting with this packing list because I want to make sure I don't bring more than what I need. So I'm making the list, and then I'm going to try and organize it all. Especially like the clothes and stuff that I'm not going to wear the next week because it's really hot here. But I know it'll probably be chilly at night there that I can like set aside. And all my like camera equipment, I can put that all into a little container or something for the road. And yeah, just start getting everything together. So let's go. Also, the Twilight series got put onto Netflix. I've only watched them once, so I've been watching them. I'm already on to Breaking Dawn Part 2. I just started them a couple days ago, but it's fine. But yeah, I'm gonna be watching that while I pack and clean my room. My room is actually, here, I'll show you. It's actually pretty, well, it's not that clean in here. But like, I don't have any dirty laundry. This is my bed right here. There's not like a ton of stuff, except for this stuff I need to put away. But it's pretty clean. The floor is semi-clean, so it's a good spot to start. So let's go. Okay, it's kind of like a wreck down here because of a lot of people are traveling in my family this next week. But I bought some stuff from REI a couple weeks ago. I bought these packing cubes, and I also got this shower roll thing. So I can start putting stuff in here, like socks and underwear and different things, so yeah. So bought this packing cube thing from REI yesterday to put more stuff in, which will be perfect for in my suitcase. And I have some hygiene stuff in there already that I am going to need to use, so yeah. I've got myself some lemonade and some Dots pretzels to tide me over while I pack.
I remember your bad dress and how you turned my mind completely into such a mess so easily.
Okay, I have to show you guys this. This bag is just the coolest thing ever. Shower roll, and look. So I'm not even like even close to being done, but it has a mirror. It hangs up, which is super cool. And then it has like 3 huge compartments for stuff, and this one comes unattached. Wait, look, you can take it off, and you can just take this in the shower with you if this is all you need. Like it's it's like a not waterproof, but like water resistant kind of. This is so awesome. Wow, this is a great purchase. It was only like $30. Back to regularly scheduled programming. TJ Maxx this morning, and I got this little leather thing, this little leather purse. It holds my phone right here and then cards. It's perfect for traveling. It's by Jack George's Voyager is what it is called. I got it at TJ Maxx, and it's perfect because then I don't have to bring my wallet or a purse. It's all combined into this little thing in the airport or when I'm traveling ever. So, and it's real leather, and it was only like $20, so highly recommend.
Don't know what to say. It's always like this, I know it. If I could only be some kind of poet, if I could have my way with words, if only for it.
Okay, so in that top one is my shower roll, then I'm gonna put shorts, then I have underwear and socks, and then in that bottom one I have my pants. So we're getting a good start. I'm going to be very organized on this trip. I am very excited. Okay guys, I discovered that these packing cubes I got from REI expand with this zipper right here. So this whole thing, I can fit all my socks, all my underwear, and all of like my crew necks, my crew socks too, for like hiking in here. And I'm so happy. Look how cute. And I can do it with the other one too, which is over here. I like turned it over to the other side and realized that there was a zipper, another zipper. And so I was like, let me see what this does. And it expanded. Yay. Okay, I feel very coordinated right now. I have my jean shorts, pajamas, one dress. This is my outfit for tomorrow. Tomorrow is my birthday. I'm gonna wear it tomorrow. And then I have bras, underwear. And over here is also stuff I'm gonna bring. Socks, underwear, swimsuits. And here I have all my shirts. This one down here. Any pants. Hygiene stuff in here. This is gonna hold my phone. And then I'm gonna use this sleeping bag as my laundry bag. And then like the sweatshirts and jackets that I'm gonna bring. I also need to get my raincoat, which I think is downstairs, so yeah. Okay, it's literally like, oh my gosh, it's bad lighting. It's literally like 11 o'clock right now. My birthday is tomorrow, and I don't really want to be packing on my birthday, so I'm trying to like finish a lot of the not only last minute things, I'm trying to get all my clothes in my suitcase. And look at this, how satisfying. This is all of the clothes in my suitcase. I have socks and underwear and swimsuits in here. I have all my shirts in there, all my jeans, leggings, athletic shorts. Then I have my jean shorts pile and pajamas, and that's it. Like, it's so organized and satisfying. And then I can put all my shoes, my shower bag, like extra things in here in this side, and it's literally perfect. I'm so excited. Yay. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna sit down a second. Today is my birthday, and I leave my house tomorrow morning at 3:30 a.m. to go to the airport to leave for this trip. And I am like trying to finish packing. Packing is like a lot, especially when I have to bring stuff. It's not just clothes, but I'll show you real quick what I have. I'm almost done, but I just wanted to show you real quick. Okay, suitcase, Vampire Diaries, some random things. This is stuff for the airport tomorrow. I'm sitting on this cushion, but I'm almost there and I'm so excited.